2.3 million naira.
What's the price of the cheapest car you have here in your dealership?
Wow, the price of the cheapest car here is 1.5 million. Just imagine 1.5 million, you can get yourself a classic car.
This is a Nigeria fairly used Lexus EX330 2005 model. This car is going for 4.5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. For more interesting videos like this, like and share this video, follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel now. This is a Nigeria fairly used BMW RT 525. It is 4 months used and it's 2006 model. The price of this car is 4.5 million naira only. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. Wait, don't make payment for any of these cars until you've done your physical inspection and test drive. Please ensure that everything is working perfectly well before you make any payment. This is a Nigeria fairly used Honda Accord 2006 model. The price of this car is 2.3 million naira. It is slightly negotiable.
Are your cars stolen cars?
None of our cars are stolen.
This is a foreign use Toyota Sienna 2007 model. The price of this car is 5.8 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable.
Where do you get your cars from?
Okay, most of our cars are imported and others we buy from end users. We publish the cars and give it a classic look so that the next user would appreciate the use of his car.
Here we have a Nigeria fairly used Toyota Venza 2010 model. Dual VVT-i 4-plug engine capacity. Wow, the beautiful interior of this Toyota Venza. As you can see, it has a fabric seat. The dashboard here, there's a little crack over there. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders. It has a pigeonhole right here. Buttons on the steering, opened roof. Oh. This is the back seat view of this car. As you can see, it has 3 headrests and has an AC at the back here. 2010 model. It has a reverse camera here. The price of this baby is 6.5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable.
Do you buy and swap cars?
Okay, we buy, we sell, and we swap.
This is a 2013 Honda Crosster. Extreme technology, IVTEC V6 engine capacity. This is the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a leather seat. The dashboard is looking so beautiful, no crack on it. You can see it has a reverse camera here, and the AC, the sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, a pigeonhole, the buttons on the steering. This car has a thumbs that also has an opened roof. Here we have the back seat view of this Honda. It has 3 headrests, AC at the back. Wow. It also has a handrest there, but as you can see, it is sealed. Honda Crosster 2013 model, and it has a reverse camera. The price of this baby is 13 million naira. It's slightly negotiable.
Do you rent cars?
No, we don't rent cars.
This is a foreign used Toyota Corolla 2005 model. VVT-i 16 valves, 4 plugs engine capacity, and a durable battery that will serve you for long. This is the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a fabric interior, the clean dashboard, the AC, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, a pigeonhole. Wow, this car has a sealed roof. Alright, this is the back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests. Wow. Alright, let's check out the back view. Toyota Corolla 2005 model. This car is going for 5.5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable.
Are the prices of your cars negotiable?
Yes, the prices are negotiable. Some are slightly negotiable.
This is a foreign used Infiniti QX56 2013 model. Let me show you the powerful engine of this car. It has V8 engine capacity. Here we have the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a leather seat here. The dashboard there is looking so beautiful, no crack on it. We have the AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, and a pigeonhole right here. Wow. This car has a thumb starter. The buttons on the steering. This car has an open roof, as you can see it. This is the back seat view of this car. It has 2 headrests, an AC controller here, the AC at the side of the car. It has a DVD, 2 DVD headrests, as you can see. It also has 2 cup holders, another pigeonhole here. Whoa, this car is mad. This car also has a 3rd row seat. Wow. Alright, Infiniti QX56 2013 model. It has a reverse camera. The price of this car is 10 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Do you accept instrumental payment?
Of course we do, considering the economic rate. So we want to make our cars pocket friendly. So we accept payments in installments so that it doesn't weigh on your account and it doesn't shake your pockets.
Wow, that's good.
This is a foreign use Toyota Camry 2008 model. VVT-i 16 valve, 4 plugs, engine capacity, a durable battery that will serve you for a long time. This is the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a leather seat right here, the beautiful dashboard, the AC, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, and a pigeonhole. And the buttons on the steering. As you can see, this car has a sealed roof. This is the back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests, no AC vent at the back, the handrest right here, seat, and 2 cup holders. Limited edition, and the price of this baby is 5.5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable.
Why are the prices of foreign used cars and Nigeria fairly used cars going up these days?
Okay, everyone knows that dollar rate is really affecting our naira. So since we import cars and we also clear them at the wharf, it also tells on the price of the cars. So that's why the prices of cars are outrageous these days. But never mind, it is also pocket friendly.
This is a foreign used Volkswagen Tiguan 2014 model. It has 4 plugs, engine capacity, TSI. Here we have the battery, a durable one that will serve you for quite a long time. Here we are, the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a leather seat over here, and the dashboard is looking so beautiful. The AC, it has a reverse camera, the sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, and a pigeonhole. As you can see, this car has a sealed roof. The back seat view of this car, it has 3 headrests, AC at the back. Wow. Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSI 4Motion 2014 model. It has a reverse camera here. The price of this beautiful baby is 9 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign use Pontiac Vibes 2010 model. Let me show you the powerful engine of this car. VVT-i 16 valve, 4 plugs, engine capacity, and a durable battery that will serve you for long. This is the interior of this car. As you can see, it has a fabric seat right here. The dashboard there is looking so beautiful, no crack on it. AC, the sound system, automatic transmission, pigeonhole, and it also has a sealed roof. This is the back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests, no AC at the back. Let's check out the back view of this car. Foreign use Pontiac Vibes 2010 model. The price of this car is 5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. The Nigeria fairly used Toyota 4Runner 2011 model, but upgraded to 2014 model. V6 engine capacity and a very durable battery that is going to serve you for a long period of time. This is the beautiful interior of this Toyota 4Runner. As you can see, it has a leather seat, though it has a little pills on it. We have the dashboard here looking so beautiful. The AC, reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission, one cup holder here, a pigeonhole. As you can see, this car has a sealed roof. Here we have the beautiful back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests. The AC is right here, and it also has a handrest and 2 cup holders here. Forerunner 2011 model, but upgraded to 2014 model. It has a reverse camera. With your 8.5 million naira, this baby is here. This is a 2013 foreign use Mercedes-Benz C250. Let me show you the powerful engine of this car. It has 4 plugs engine capacity and a durable battery that will serve you for a long time. Here we have the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a leather seat rear, a beautiful dashboard, the AC, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, a pigeonhole right here, the buttons on the steering, and it has an opened roof. This is the back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests. It has an AC at the back here. You can see it. It also has a handrest, though it is sealed. 2013 foreign use Mercedes-Benz C250, 7.5 million naira. Gege. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. Foreign use Toyota Corolla 2010 model. Let me show you the powerful engine of this car. It has dual VVT-i 4 plugs engine capacity. Here we go, the beautiful interior of this car. As you can see, it has a fabric seat, a beautiful dashboard, the AC, the sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, a pigeonhole right here, and the steering is working very well, and it also has a sealed roof. Here's the back seat view of this Toyota Corolla 2010 model. It has 3 headrests, no AC at the back here. Let's check out the back view. A 2010 model, and the price of this car is 6.7 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign use Mercedes-Benz C300 Formatic 2010 model. V6 engine capacity and a durable battery that will serve you for long. Let's check out the beautiful interior of this car. Why is it smiling? Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah, guys, this is the beautiful interior of this Mercedes-Benz. Leather seat interior, beautiful dashboard, AC, sound system, automatic transmission, 2 cup holders, a pigeonhole, the buttons on the steering, and it has an opened roof. Here we are, the beautiful back seat view of this car. It has 3 headrests, and AC at the back here, as you can see it, and it also has a handrest, though it is sealed. Mercedes-Benz C300 Formatic 2010 model. The price of this baby is 8.5 million naira. Don't forget, it is slightly negotiable. So come and get it.
I'm Miss Ide Ejiro, the Secretary of Autoplug Port Harcourt. You can reach us with this following number: 08035305815 or 08160154330. I repeat, 08035305815 or 08160154330. You can reach us on WhatsApp with those numbers I mentioned. We're located along Aba Road, opposite Air Force Base, beside Coast Charis, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.